How you doing? A little car wash today?
Cab wash?
I thought it was, yeah, special cab wash. That's right. No, not yet.
$4 for use.
All right, here's 5, and you got one of those little lemon scented things you got there?
Lemon baby powder or wild cherry?
Lemon would be great. Thanks a lot. All right, can you do me a favor? Can you hold on for 1 second? Actually, you know what? Let me give you for this too. Thanks, buddy. Yes.
A movie star, or maybe even a Indian chief at the car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. Come on and sing it with me, car wash. Sing it with the feeling now, car wash, yeah. Woo! Come some of the work gets kinda hard, and this ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool, and the boss don't mind sometimes if you act the fool at the car wash. Whoa, 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 talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me, car wash. Woo, 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 car wash, yeah. Work and work. Well, those cars never seem to stop coming. Work and work. Keep those bags and machines humming. Work and work. My fingers to the bone. Work. I can't wait till it's time to go home. Hey, get your car washed today. Fill up and you don't have to pay. Come on and give us a play. Get a wash right away like a car wash. Talking about the car wash. Car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it with me. Car wash. Sing it with feeling, y'all. Car wash, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Those cars never seem to stop coming. What I say, keep those bags and machines humming. Let me tell you, it's always cute, and the boss don't mind sometimes if you act the fool at the car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. even Indian children at the car wash. Working at the car wash, girl. Come on and sing it with me, car wash. Sing it with the feeling now, car wash, yeah. Woo! Come some of the work gets kinda hard. And this ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool. And the boss don't mind sometimes if you're at the food, at the car wash. Oh.